Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So as you all know that tomorrow is the expiry day and you can clearly see here that in Bank Nifty it tried to trade above that 42,800 level which previously act as a major resistance level. So right now it kind of looks positive to me. If tomorrow market once again trades above that 42,850 or 870 and shows continuous positive movement, then you can consider it for buying, and our immediate target will be around level 43,000. And if it trades above that 43,000 or shows strong positive movement after that, then you can take it for buying with large quantity, and our next target will be 43,200 to 42,400. So in one day candle chart it looks positive to me, but if it opens a gap down or if it trades below 42,600 or 700, then after that shows negative movement, then you can also consider it for selling. Now let's look into 50 candle for identifying any kind of buying or selling trade. In 50 candle you can clearly see that today market opens gap down, and when it trades below that support level which is 42,600, it continues shows negative movement and also made low around 42,450. But you can clearly notice here that previously we have seen support around that 42,500 level, and today it also took support around that 42,500 level. So right now it acts as a major support level. So my suggestion would be, if you wanted to take trade with a large quantity for selling, then it needs to trade below 42,500 or 550. Then after that you can decide for taking any kind of selling trade. But right now it looks positive to me because it trades above that resistance level which previously acted as a major resistance level, and also yesterday we have seen selling pressure around that higher side. So if tomorrow market opens gap up or opens small flat and shows a positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. And as I said in one candle chart, target will be 43,000, and if it trades above 43,000, then next target will be 43,200 to 400. But let's assume that if it opens gap down, so if it opens gap down, then let it closes below 42,700 or 650, because we have seen continuous support around that zone. So at least it needs to trade below that, then after that you can consider it for selling, and target will be around 42,500 to around level 42,450. So that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in one candle chart. In Nifty you can clearly see that it also made strong positive movement here, and it also tried to trade above that 7,800 level. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market once again trades above 17,800 or 830 and shows strong positive movement, then we're going to consider it for buying. Our immediate target will be 7,860. Next target we can set to 7,900 to 7,930. So in one candle chart it looks positive to me, but previously we have seen resistance around that 7,860. So let it trade above that, or let it trade shows strong positive movement above that, then after that we can consider it for buying. And as I said, target will be 7,932 around level 7,800. Now let's look into 15-minute candle. In 15 candle you can clearly see that today market opens flat and shows negative movement, and when it trades below that 17,740, it continues shows negative movement until 7,710. So right now it continuously took support around that 7,760 to 7,740. So my suggestion would be, if market opens gap down and if it trades below 17,760 and shows a negative movement, then you can consider it for buying. But in 15 candle it right now looks positive to me. If tomorrow market opens in around that zone which is 7,830 to 7,800 and shows strong positive movement, then you can also consider it for buying. So that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you wanted to take trade in Bank Nifty option, then you need to look into Bank Nifty components. In Bank Nifty components, our first component will be HDFC Bank, and in HDFC Bank you can clearly see that today market opens around that 1660 level, but it continuously took support from that, and right now it trades around 1670. So if tomorrow market once again trades above 1672 or 73 and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. Our target will be 1680 to 1685. Now let's look into ICICI Bank. In ICICI Bank, it also try to trade above that resistance level. So my suggestion would be, so if tomorrow market try to trade above 917 or 18 and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. Target will be around 925 to 930. Now let's look into SBI Bank. In SBI Bank, it also trades around that higher side. So if tomorrow market trades above 568 or 570 and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying, and target will be 580. But if it opens a gap up, then it may be show some negative movement here, because from the last 3 to 4 days it continuously shows strong positive movement here. So at least if it opens flat and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. As I said, if it opens large gap up, then you will going to wait for another 15 to 20 minutes for any kind of trend confirmation, then you can decide to take buying trade or selling trade. In Kotak Bank, you can clearly see that it right now trades around that lower side which which we have seen support around that zone. So if tomorrow market once again trades below 1875 or 72 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. Target will be 1862, 1850. But if it took support from that level which is 1880 and shows strong positive movement, then you can also consider it for buying. Target will be around 1895 to round level 1900. Now let's look into Axis Bank. In Axis Bank, it shows positive movement here, and you can clearly see that it right now trades around that resistance level. So if market shows strong positive movement above 890 and shows continuous strong movement, then you can consider it for buying, and target will be around round level 900 to 910. Now let's look into our last bank, which is Indian Bank. And in Indian Bank, you can clearly see that it right now trades above that doji candle, and if it trades above 1140 tomorrow and shows strong positive movement, then you can consider it for buying. First target will be 1150, next target will be 1156. So that's all about today, guys. If you have any kind of doubt, then let me know in the comment box. And if you like my video, then share it and subscribe my channel.